Hey y'all, it's Jesh. I'm back again, this time with a tutorial. Somebody wanted to know on YouTube how do I polyphonically sing, so alien singing or whatever you want to call it. So this is the tutorial for it, you know, just walk you through it, all that, blah, blah, blah. Let's get it. The first thing you want to establish is your bass note. So whatever you're gonna sing on top, it has to be complemented by the bass. So I always go the O vowel, O, right? The next thing you want to do is slide from your O to your A. And once you get this transition down, it's gonna sound like O, right? Once you're proficient in going from O, you know, back and forth, what you want to do is start to add more air and play around with your larynx, closing it in and out. This is where you get the whistle. So here's a demonstration. What helps me is playing around with the vowels and, you know, obviously warming up. So the more that I do this, the easier I can slip into the two voices. So we're gonna try again. This time I'll go a little higher. I find that if you start a little higher in the register, then like the whistle can move around more, and the more that you play with it, the more that you practice anything, you'll get better at it. So yeah, look up alien singers, polyphonic singers on YouTube, see the different styles and try it out, stitch it with this video. Let me see what you guys can do. I mean, can you sing two notes at once? I know Layla Hathaway can. Tag her in the video. I mean, I could probably, you know what I'm saying? No, but yeah, God bless y'all, be safe. Mwah, love always. Love yourself, love you, bye, bye, bye.